Hello! Now today's topic we're going to be talking about is counterfeit money or fake money. Now what is the difference? Now usually real money has a face inside the money, which usually when you hold it up to a light, you can see a small face or maybe a stamp or a seal or a secret number. Now fake money has very hard time replicating real money. So usually if you hold up fake money into the light, you cannot see either a stamp, a symbol, a number, or just a face. And also maybe the material is different. Maybe paper money might be see-through paper, softer, and maybe this might be a harder paper or maybe a different similar paper, but that's not quite the same as real money. Now usually a lot of people use real money to maybe use it for bank loans, buying illegal things, and just getting away with really bad things. So that's it on counterfeit money. Bye!